Okay, let's start with opening the chassis. You need a Phillips head, counterclockwise quarter turn. Slide this open. Now you're left with the open chassis. Now we can take our pre-assembled card, and it goes in the very back corner here, but you need to remove these blanks first. In order to do that, you have this blue tab here. Let's go ahead and pull up, and you can lay it over like that. That loosens these up all the way. You can pull these out. And then to insert the card, it's important to notice these are where the plugins are. So you want to fit this part of the tab in that little hook. It's important to put in the bottom one first. You'll see down here where the tabs are split. Just need to find that groove and snap it in. Do the same for the top one. Now, to lock them in, just tilt this up and push down. Now these are installed. Now, next thing to do is just put the top back on, and you're good to go. All done.